So what are we doing today? Well, this morning I'm dropping off this important packet. And in the packet is a sample of my DNA, saliva, and it's not for a COVID test. I volunteered to participate in a wisdom study, and it has to do with identifying markers for breast cancer. My grandmother died of it, and I thought it would be my contribution to science to spit into a tube. It's actually pretty in-depth what you had to do. There was like several different directions and barcodes to ensure that the sample was indeed coming from me and the account was activated. You have to activate the account within 24 hours of mailing off your saliva, and you're not allowed to even drink water 30 minutes before the test. So I followed the directions pretty much to the T, and it's just a small contribution I have to make toward medicine. It's funny how on YouTube people say I'm not a doctor and I don't represent one on YouTube. Well, technically I am a doctor, not to say that I represent one on YouTube, but by training I went to medical school and graduated, and I got the t-shirt for it. I don't bring it up because I don't think it's overly relevant to a lot of the content that I post on YouTube, but today it is a little bit relevant in that I'm making a small contribution to, I think, what will help. Now, I do worry that, not that my specific genes will be used in a bad way, and if that is the fact, well, the Army already has my DNA that they take before you deploy, just in case you get dead somewhere and they have to identify body parts by DNA. So my genome's out there with the Army. Now, this particular organization says that they will not release it to third parties, and it's that DNA cannot be used by insurance companies in order to eliminate you from insurance, because obviously if they knew you were going to get something, well, that would behoove them not to insure you, right? So anyway, that's what we're doing today. We're doing a selfless act. I think maybe just under that scope, think about what you can do as a selfless act. I mean, it can be anything. It doesn't have to be research or anything. And maybe act on it. Try to make the world a better place. That's what we're doing today. Bye for now.